I asked my son what he wanted for Halloween this year and he said, Fooky Fiders! These spooky spiders are made of Oreo Dora cakes, guys, and here is the recipe if you want to make it too. So we're going to start with 10 Oreo cookies. That should give you 4 Fooky Fiders. You don't have to separate the cream from the cookie. Just pop them into a grinder jar, grind them to a powder and add 6 tablespoons of milk. You may need to add a little more milk later, but let's start with 6 tablespoons. We are going for a consistency that is pourable, like a pancake batter like consistency. And next to this, we are going to add in half a teaspoon of baking powder. Combine everything and set it aside. Next, we're going to set a non-stick pan on medium heat and grease it with a little bit of butter. Not too much butter, if not the butter is going to burn. Then take a 1 tablespoon measure and add in the batter. You can obviously make bigger or smaller pancakes, but this measure should give you approximately 4 to 5 spooky spiders. Be gentle when you flip these pancakes, they are like super delicate. That's why it also really helps to use a non-stick pan. Alright, while these pancakes are cooling down, let's work on the spider legs. I'm using mini pretzels and I'm just going to break it so that we get these arch kind of shapes that are going to be our spider legs. But let's coat it with some dark chocolate so it matches with the color of the spider bodies. This is half a cup of dark chocolate that I melted in a microwave in 20-second bursts. And to make the consistency a little more pourable, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of melted coconut oil. The thinner consistency will help to coat the spider legs better. Guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Consider subscribing for exciting recipes every week. We're going to coat all the spider legs with this dark chocolate and then we're going to place each one of them on a baking rack. And in about 5 to 10 minutes, they're going to get hardened and our spider legs are ready to go. Our Oreo pancakes are cool by now, so let's start making a Fooky Fider. I'm making these Dora pancakes with Nutella inside because my kids love Nutella and most kids love Nutella. But if you want to make it with the cream of the Oreo cookies, just take out the cream from the Oreo cookies and make the pancake and use that cream filling instead. Nutella should help the pancakes stick together really well. That's why the pancakes should be cold when you add Nutella, because I have done it when it was warm and there was Nutella running from the sides out of the pancake. Some brown chocolate sprinkles for some texture, and now it's time to put in the legs. And each spider has 8 legs. That's a lot of legs. And my son said that the red M&Ms would look the fookiest, so that's what I used. Guys, wasn't this easy? I hope this spooky spider makes your kids excited. Happy Halloween, everyone!